Cinnamon, star anise, and ginger are my favorite warm winter spices. Today I'm making a spiked iced soy chai that I'm gonna use some spiced rum in. First, I'm gonna show you how to make your own chai tea. We're gonna start with some water, a little bit of fresh sliced ginger, green cardamom pods. This is an essential in what we consider chai tea. Actually, chai just means tea. What we're used to, that nice warm spicy tea, is actually chai masala. Now we're adding some star anise or anise. This gives it that great licorice flavor. And finally, the cinnamon sticks. We're just gonna bring this up to a simmer and let it go for about 10 minutes. The longer you let it steep, the stronger it's gonna be. My spices have been simmering for 10 minutes, so I'm gonna take it off the heat and bring it right over to my French press. In my French press, I already have loose black tea, so I'll let that steep for about 4 minutes. We made our chai tea from scratch, but you can take a shortcut and use store-bought tea bags like we did here, and we're gonna strain this out right into our pitcher full of ice. Next, we're gonna add our spiced rum. Don't try to swap out a silver rum or a light rum for this recipe. The spiced rum is really important. It goes along with those great warm winter spices. Then we're gonna add our vanilla soy, and then I'm gonna garnish our pitcher with some fresh orange peel. Now we just poured this right over ice, and you've got a delicious cocktail for the winter time to keep you warm, but actually all year long this works.